Alright, the optional stop is on. I'm going to use that to check my motor mount here and make sure it's going to fit. That's not right. That is absolutely not right. These slots are not quite lined up right. Let me pause and do some measuring and update my G-code, and we'll come back. Alright, let's check this out again. That's a lot better. They line up now. We should be good to go. Let this finish out. Alright, it looks like my coolant's petering out here. It must be low. I'm going to go ahead and top it off. I'm going to try to turn that RPM down, see if it don't chatter as much. Certainly sounds better. Since I did an override, I'll have to make sure I turn that off when we get to the next part, or the next tool. That fits real good. It won't fit these because they're exactly, well, it does fit them. But the holes on the motor, they're really made for more of a 1/4 inch bolt. So that'll work out real good. Here it is all cleaned off. We got our mistake holes here. That's no big deal. They don't even interfere in the slot. I know what I did wrong there. I measured across those slots with the caliper. Just like this. Pretend that was, you know, on the motor. I measured like that, and that's where I got that 2 5/8. But that wasn't right. It should have been, you know, from the edge of one to the other. And that would have came out 3 inches, because you're going center to center here. That was just a dumb mistake on my part. But most likely you won't even see those holes. They'll be covered up with the motor. Doesn't affect anything. It doesn't matter, so I'm not going to worry about them. I'll go get all the dicum cleaned off of here. Probably just hit it with a little brake cleaner. All that'll come right off. And we'll go put everything together. I forgot to mention, make sure you go through and deburr all these things with a good deburring knife. Really saves yourself a lot of trouble. I hate having cut up fingers. You know, you feel them for a couple weeks. That's never any good. I'll have to do the backside here after I get it out. But just run through there and clean them up. Alright, here's the real easy way to clean this thing. Done. I don't care. It's going to be on the bottom. Nobody's going to look underneath the press. If they are, they're a mouse, and I don't care if the mice see the marks on there. So we'll go with that.